Say, I love you, Nana. Well, you gotta record first before you can watch it. Can you say, watch, let's see, Haley. Can you say Haley? Say hi, Haley.
Hello, Caleb.
Say hi, Nay.
Hey, Nay.
Hey, Nay. Now say, hi, Caleb.
Okay. I want to see a video of me. Can I see a video of me?
Yep, when I'm done, when I'm done here. Oh, goodness. Oh, he's climbing me. Can you say, I love you?
I love you.
Or can you count? Say 1,
2,
3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, 6. See the dog?
Hold on. I see dog. Oh, the dog. 11. Good dog.
Dog. Say 6.
Okay,
6.
Papa.
Nope, not gonna count. Not doing it. Say bye. Say bye. See you later. Or just sit there silently. That works too. It's a good thing you're cute.